Hello everyone, welcome to Upper Public School. This is your IT teacher Rishidhar SK. Today we are going to discuss about the rationalized curriculum of the subject information technology, and the subject code is 402. Today we will discuss about the curriculum, and in upcoming days we will discuss about the chapters. This is the rationalized curriculum for the class 10 for the academic year 2020-21, and in this paper carries 100 marks and 50 marks for theory and 50 marks for practicals. And here we have 4 parts. So the first part is employability skills. From this part we will get 10 marks and it is purely for theoretical. Part B refers subject specific skills. From this unit we will get 40 marks. It includes theoretical as well as the practicals, and the part C refers practical work. And next, the last part is project work or a field visit. Let's have a look on the topics in detail. First part, employability skills. In this part we have 5 units. First one is communication skills, second one self-management skills, and third is information and communication skills. Fourth one is entrepreneurial skills, and the last one is green skills. In first unit we are going to study about the communication skills, and it has 3 types of methods. One is verbal, non-verbal and visual. Again, in verbal we have 2 types of communication. One is oral communication and the second one is written communication. And in second unit, self-management skills. From this unit we are going to study or learn about stress management and its techniques. What are the causes and how to manage the stress by using the or by applying the techniques and by doing the physical exercise, yoga, meditation, like that, and ability to work independently, boost self-confidence and a self-motivation and a multitasking ability, communication skills. These things we are going to study in the second unit. And the third unit contains information and communication technology skills, functions of operating system and the types of operating system we are going to study in this unit. Fourth unit contains entrepreneur skills, and we can describe as starting a business by using the resources available to a person, and the role and importance of the entrepreneurship we can going to study in this unit. Last unit is green skills. From this unit we are going to study about the evolution, concepts, objectives, importance and the goals of the sustainable development. Next, part B, subject specific skills. It contains 4 units. First one is digital documentation. Again it contains 5 chapters, that is create and apply styles in the document. So here we can observe that some text are shaded with the yellow color. What it indicates? It indicates that to be assessed in a practicals only. No question shall be asked from this portion in theory exams. That means the questions should be asked from these topics only during practical exams, and no question will come to the theory exams. It is clearly mentioned there. From this chapter we are going to learn that styles are categories in word processor, styles and formatting window, fill format, creating and updating new styles from selection, load style from template or another document, and creating a new style using drag and drop, and last one is applying styles. So these things will be explained during theory, and the same thing you are going to practice in your home or in a lab. And the next chapter is insert and use images in a document. So from this unit we are going to study about the what are the ways to insert the images, that is sources. We have 4 to 5 ways to insert the images in a Word document. And the next is option to modify, resize, crop and delete an image, drawing objects and its properties, and the next creating drawing objects and changing its properties, resizing and grouping drawing objects, and the last one is positioning image in the text. And third chapter is create and use template. So what do you mean by template, and the definitions, and some predefined templates are there, and we can create our own templates for the future use. And the fourth chapter is a create and customize table of contents. A table is different and that table of contents is different. Don't get confused. And the last chapter from this unit is implement mail merge. And what are the advanced concept of mail merge in word processing, creating a main document, creating the data source, entering data in the fields and merging the data source with the main document. So these things we are going to study in a first unit. And second unit, electronic spreadsheets. So the first chapter is analyzing data using scenarios and goals. From this unit we are going to study about the consolidating the data. That means we can take the data from the two tables and we can combine them. So that how to do that, we are going to study from this chapter. And the next is the link data and spreadsheets. We can link each other, the data as well as the sheets. And the third chapter is share and review a spreadsheet. And the fourth chapter is create and use macros in spreadsheets. Third unit, database management system. It has 5 chapters. First one is appreciate the concept of a database management system. In this chapter we are going to study about concept and examples of data and information, and the concept of database, advantages, features, concept and examples of relational database, concept and examples of field, record, table and database, and concept and examples of the primary key, composite key and foreign key. And the second chapter is create and edit tables using wizard and SQL commands. We can create the table using SQL commands. And the third, perform operations on table. So what are the operations? Inserting data, editing the records in the table, deleting the records and sorting, and creating and editing the relationship one to one or one to many using primary key and the foreign key. And the last is field properties. And the fourth chapter contains database query, defining query, query creation using wizard, and creation of query using design view, and editing a query, applying criteria in query single field or multiple fields using Witcard. And the last chapter is creating forms and reports using wizards. We can create the forms for the inserting the data into the table, and the reports are used to get the data from the database, and those we can create by using the properties of the forms and the reports. The last unit, web applications and security. It has 11 chapters. First one is working with accessibility options, understanding networking fundamentals, introduction to instant messaging, chatting with the contact, and fifth one is creating and publishing web pages like blogs, and sixth is using offline blog editors. We can use the blogs offline and online. Whenever you are coming to the online, that will be updated automatically. And the seventh is online transactions, internet security. Ninth, maintain workplace safety. 10th is prevent accidents and emergencies, and the last one is protect health and safety at work. So these concepts will be discussed in detail in upcoming classes. And last one more thing is you can download the PDF file from the description area. Thank you one and all.